Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the Apple AirTag 4-pack, your ultimate solution for keeping track of what matters most. What makes AirTag truly revolutionary is precision finding, powered by ultra-wideband technology, guiding you directly to your lost item with exact distance and direction right on your iPhone. Imagine pinpointing your lost item under a couch cushion or in a messy room. It's like having a personal radar for your valuables. Setting up your AirTag is incredibly simple. Just a single tap near your iPhone, and it's instantly paired, ready to go. Plus, with its IP67 water and dust resistance, these durable trackers can handle spills, splashes, and everyday adventures without a hitch. Beyond its personal tracking, the vast Find My network leverages millions of Apple devices worldwide to help locate your AirTag even if it's far away. A truly unique feature. This 4-pack is perfect for tracking multiple items, offering incredible peace of mind for an unbeatable value. If you're ready to streamline your life and never misplace your essentials again, check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon using the link in the description below. It's not just a tracker, it's an integrated part of your Apple ecosystem, delivering unparalleled accuracy and reliability. For anyone seeking the best Bluetooth tracker and a smart investment in 2025 electronics, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have.